So JOYTUTUS recently sent me out this wall for the back of your car, and basically this will keep your dogs away from you while you're driving. So not only is it going to be safer for you now that you don't have to worry about a dog climbing in your lap while you're driving, but it's also going to be better for the dog. This is going to give them a really nice confined space in the back of your SUV. You guys could even put this in sedans or even a truck. From my understanding, they have a bunch of different sizing as well, and it's also reinforced with metal bars. So first, let's talk about that assembly. It really wasn't too bad. It took me about 5 minutes to put together. Everything was labeled very nicely. We had easy to follow instructions, and then the actual fabric just Velcros on the outside of the metal bars. At first, I was a little curious how that would hold up, but the Velcro that they use is actually really heavy duty and it is not moving anywhere, even if you guys have a dog that's pretty rambunctious. And here's just a few clips of my dog using it. They were quickly able to figure out that they were not able to go all the way to the front seat anymore. I went ahead and opened up the center window that's also adhered with Velcro, and they love that, and it also gave them some better airflow, and I guess made them feel a little less trapped. They were able to stick their head out and say hi to us whenever they wanted. Overall, really happy with the fitment as well. And it also doesn't stand out too much. It doesn't look out of place. I'm probably just gonna keep this in my car for the time being until I need to put something really large in the back seat. So anyways, let's take a closer look. All right, so I put my dogs up just for now so that we could concentrate on this, but you should be able to see the fitment. I have a little bit of space over there and on top, but my dogs can't get through. And honestly, I can't complain. That's a pretty tight fit, and it does go down a few more inches there. You could sort of see the edge of that bar. The material is like a mesh, but it's very sturdy, so they're gonna still be able to get airflow, and they could also still see through, so if they have separation anxiety, hopefully it's not gonna be the end of the world for them when they're back here. All right, so let's talk about how this mounts up. So we're gonna get one strap that goes right here, and you have to tighten it up in order for it to stay in place. And then, just so the dog doesn't try to crawl through the bottom, we have another strap here. Now, someone could still definitely use this seat. You just will have a clip here on the side, but it's not a big deal whatsoever. Here's a closer look at that little window. It's a very thick plastic, so I'm not worried about that. And then you could just easily take it down to let your dog kind of see you and say hi. And here's that Velcro up top. It's very sturdy. And just for example, I'm pushing down right now, it's not going anywhere. It's really stuck to these seats. So down here, we have maybe a 6-inch gap, but since I folded up that seat, they cannot get through there. And here's a closer look at the materials that were used. So overall, really happy with this little car divider. Some things that I really like about it, the fact that we have this window here. At first, I was a little confused why they needed all of the metal bars to give it structure, but now I'm really happy because of that. It is way stronger and it's not just flapping over. It actually feels really sturdy, and I could trust that my dogs are not going to be able to get through here. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a car divider for your dogs or maybe other animals, this thing is a really cool one to look into. The build quality is on point. All the materials are heavy duty and should be able to withstand your dog, whether it's little or big. And anyways, that's gonna be it today for my really quick install and setup of the JOYTUTUS car divider.